Hello everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Chrome's built-in translation feature. So first, open a website that's written in another language. For this example, I'm going to use Naver, which is South Korea's largest internet portal and search engine. Usually, a translation pop-up will appear at the top of the page, which is this. If you see it, just click English to translate the whole page to English. And if the pop-up doesn't appear, don't worry. Just click anywhere on the web page and select Translate to English. The page will then be translated automatically. You can also choose any of these options for a smoother browsing experience. And that's it! Browsing foreign websites is now much easier with Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.